here it is. This is just about everything I've made for this turbo kit. We've got stainless, we've got aluminum. My dear friend Alex did some laser welding on this part, and he's got one more part that he's laser welding for me right now. So it's not everything, but it's just about everything. So I'm gonna start polishing. I like the colors in the stainless. I'm pleased with my welds. I know I can do better in the future, but that's just sort of the natural learning progression. You're always gonna be doing better in the future. By no means am I dissatisfied with this. Colors are good, welds are strong, everything was bag purged. And yeah, there's room for improvement, but whatever, it's a turbo kit, so I'm too excited to care that much. But yeah, it's just, I don't know if the colors are gonna suit kind of the paint that's in my head, so I think I'm gonna polish everything up, make it nice and shiny. A lot of this aluminum has already been polished, but I'm just gonna see if I could kind of take it up to the next step, just because I may as well. And yeah, then we'll throw it all back together and see how it looks. Finding that starting with the Scotch-Brite pad is helping me kind of keep or get into some of these colors here, some of these ripples. I'll get there. It's gonna be a lot. I should have started this a while ago. How nuts is that? Oh, yeah. It literally looks like I got stuff back from the chromer, which is crazy to me. And all this stuff polished up really nice. I left some marks from the vise in here just so people would know it's, you know, homemade. If you couldn't tell by the medium welding. But, yeah, man, stuff is just looking shiny. Yep. You know what? For speed building a turbo kit that just didn't exist, only in my head, lived in my head for like 2 years, I will take these results. I will accept them. You know, a lot of the welds look pretty dang decent too. Like not amazing, but decent. Some of them are less than great. I don't like this goobular on the front, but whatever. It'll hold. Polish hides it. Yeah, I'm so pleased. I'm a little exhausted if you can't tell, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this together just for fun right now. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, you guys are gonna have to forgive me here. I'm starting to get a bit of a cold. I've been just hammering hours on this thing, just working my ass off trying to get this done in time for a show. You're probably wondering, why are we starting this whole turbo shovel build series at the polishing stage? Logic being, for me, is that it's a good teaser. This is where I'm currently at in the build. I've filmed everything up to this point, and now I'm going to start editing those videos so you guys can see this process from the very beginning all the way to the finish line, which hopefully we get to in a timely manner. We'll see about that. This is a pretty funky build, but anyways, I just wanted you guys to see that, you know, it exists, it's real. Hopefully that generates some interest, and if you guys are digging it, keep up with these videos, because I'll post, again, like I said, everything from the very beginning, you know, pulling the donor engine out of the long green bike, hopefully all the way to the very end where we're friggin' tuning on this thing. Anyways, that's all I got for you this time. I'm gonna go inside and drink some tea, maybe a hot toddy. My friggin' snooteroo is killing me right now, so I'll catch up with you guys soon. Much more build action coming. This thing is going to be quite a wild machine, if you don't think so already. A lot of details, but it'll be cool. Peace.